Bitcoin is showing this incredible dump, and exactly as I told you in my last video, when the price was here, when the price will collect this liquidity above this high, we will see the new crash. Where are the target for this crash, where we can close our short position and open long? Hello my dear friends, it's Ivan making the crypto analysis updates for you to make aware how to trade to maximize your profit. Before we get started, I want to remind you that nothing in this video can be used as a financial advice. Let's start on the 4-hourly time frame of our favorite crypto exchange Whitebit. You can use link in the description to register on this exchange. And exactly as I told in my previous analysis, when the price collected this liquidity above this high, here were a lot of liquidity of short traders, the price exactly immediately turned back to the downtrend, and now I think this is new impulsive move to the downside. I want to briefly remind you my Elliott wave analysis, which I provided last time. Here was the wave 5 of any degree, and after we saw the wave A, wave B, and it was the extended wave C. If you remember, I supposed that this wave should end right here, and I opened my short position right here. But after that, I decided to hold this short position even when the price started pumping, because I was sure that it was just a correction, and now I'm sure 100% that it was just a corrective move, and now we are in impulsive move. Look here. Here was a lot of liquidity, and here was a lot of liquidity. Price immediately collected this liquidity. And where is the next liquidity pool? We can see it right here and right here. But I think the price will not reach this target and this target without any correction to the upside. First of all, let's take a look at this impulse. I suppose it is the wave 1 of the new impulsive wave to the downside. Now we have to wait for the wave 2, and we have, if we zoom in the chart, we can see that here we have the liquidity area. It was the start of this huge imbalance candle to the downside, and usually price retests this level and start a new downside impulse only after that. And let's consider that here is the wave 1 end. In this case, if you are not in short position, you have the very nice opportunity to wait for the 0.5 Fibonacci level, which exactly coincides with this start of this imbalance candle. And for example, you can set the limit order, short sell order at price approximately $17,300 or $400 to catch the most impulsive wave to the downside, wave 3, because it was wave 1, it will be the wave 2, and wave 3 could be the very nice short opportunity. And let's take a look at the picture on the 1-hour time frame to understand if this wave is have been ended or not. To be honest, I can't see here any clear wave Elliott wave formations, but let's add the awesome oscillator. 1 second, please. And we need 140 bars for our analysis, and we can see that it's not sufficient, and we need to switch, for example, for it's not sufficient too. Let's switch to the 30 minutes time frame, and we can see where we have the minimum awesome oscillator. Where it was right here, it coincides with this point. It means that it was the wave 3 in this cycle. It was the wave 1, it was the wave 2, maybe it was the wave 1, it was the wave 2, it doesn't matter. the only thing which matters, it's our wave 3 bottom, and I think it was right here. Now we can see that the awesome oscillator have almost crossed the zero line. We can count it as a true crossover of zero line, and wave 4 should be ended very soon, maybe here. Maybe we will see a little bit pump to the upside to create a bull trap that the new impulsive move to the upside is about to happen, but it will be just a trap. And after that we have to see the wave 5 inside wave 1. Probably wave 1 is not ended, but I think we will not see the much lower prices in this wave. For example, $16,400 could be our entry point for super scalp long. Guys, I'm not going to open this long, I'm in short position, and I want to hold this position until the bear market will not be ended. But from this point, I anticipate to see the zigzag correction approximately to $17,300 before the new pull to the downside, the new wave to the downside. And let's switch again to the 4-hourly time frame to understand where this wave target could be. Of course, it's not good to project the wave 3 until the wave 2 have not been printed, but let's try to do it. For example, if the wave 1 will be ended right here, $16,400, wave 2 will be ended right here, $17,300, we have the target area for the wave 3. We have the target area approximately, this is the minimum value, minimum target area approximately $15,400, and the natural target is for $14,300. We also have the maximum target approximately right here at $12,000, but to be honest, I don't think that market will go at this point. Right here we should count wave inside the future wave 3 to understand where this wave will be ended, and only after that wait for the wave 4, wave 5, and here only will be our insane long opportunity, which maybe will reverse all this market. It could be even at $12,000, and I think the market will come to this area. Only after that we'll see the new very boring market, the consolidation or accumulation, but it will be the wave 1, the very super global wave 1 of the new bullish cycle. But this wave will be represented as a depression on the market, and here I suppose that everybody will hate the cryptocurrency and is not going to buy Bitcoin on any altcoins at so low prices. It's a paradox, but it will be, I suppose, and it will be the very nice time, the best time to buy cryptocurrency, and it will be maybe in 1 or 2 months. Let's wait, guys. Let's see now. I want to briefly remind you, if you missed my short trade, you can wait for this potential pump to $17,300 and open short position for the new pull to the downside. That's all what you need to know for today. Thank you so much for attention. Good luck and goodbye.